Kapod odong' mane wechego ni riwruok ma kedo ni ratich oganda pachoka endi Kenya Human Rights Commission oyango ni gitero e doho chenro mosebedo ka dhi mbele mar muko ute jodak ma aluora ma Athi River ka gidwaro mondo ochung chenro no nikech en ataro mar ratich oganda. Kane giloso kawuono e apisgi e boma ma Nairobi, jata tije duolno Martin Mavedina olero ni onge chik moro amora mosewuok e doho masiro chenro mar muko udigo. Maneja ma ochung ne chenro mag riwruogno Mary Kambo owacho ni chenro mar muko udigo onego ta e yo marito ratich oganda mar bedo gi mwandu ka achiel kod yudo arita makare bende.
We as the civil society strongly condemn the ongoing illegal and forced evictions as they grossly violate the right to shelter and housing, which is enshrined in Article 43 of the Constitution of Kenya.
The United Nations guidelines on evictions, together with Section 152E of the Land Law Amendment Act 2017, stipulates evictions cannot be conducted subject to the issuance of a 3-month notice. Evictions cannot happen if this notice is not displayed in less than 5 strategic locations within the occupied land. However, what we have witnessed is a stark contradiction to these regulations. Eviction started merely 4 days following the court's verdict. This hasty action prompts questions. Why the rush, especially when East African Portland Cement Company had a full 90 days to take appropriate measures as per the law?